Alright folks, here we are in Browns Flat, New Brunswick. This is Joel Palmer of Swamp Air Art. This is my 2016 Kingsbrae Garden Canadian National Sculpture Competition piece. It's carved from a large piece of pine. I'm a chainsaw sculptor by trade, so pretty much what you see here was carved out with a saw and hand sanded and painted and finished to give it the look that it has now. The event will be finalizing all the judging and everything on the 10th of June at Kingsbrae Gardens in St. Andrews. If you can make it down, I'd love to see you there. Either way, wish me luck.